Catch this. The human nose, often overlooked, has the superpower to remember 50,000 different scents. Quite an impressive memory bank, wouldn't you say? Point 1. The human nose goes through a complete overhaul every 28 days. The cells inside the nostrils, much like the skin cells, constantly regenerate. This means, in essence, every month, you are breathing through a brand new nose. Moving on to point 2. The nose acts as a natural humidifier. It moistens the air we breathe in to prevent dryness in the lungs and bronchial tubes. It's a built-in climate control system working tirelessly to keep our respiratory system comfortable and healthy. Let's delve into point 3. Did you know the nose has its own cycle? It's called the nasal cycle. Every few hours, the workload shifts from one nostril to the other, so at any given time, one nostril does the majority of the breathing. This cycle helps keep the nose's internal environment stable. On to point 4. The shape of your nose is not just a family trait. It's also influenced by local climate conditions. Noses in colder climates tend to be larger, to warm the air before it reaches the lungs. Conversely, in warmer climates, noses are often smaller. And finally, point 5. The human nose can detect more than just odors. It can also pick up on emotions. When we are afraid or anxious, our sweat contains a chemical signal that the nose can detect, alerting us to danger. In summary, the human nose is a powerful and complex organ. It regenerates every month, humidifies the air we breathe, has its own working cycle, is shaped by both genetics and climate, and can even sniff out emotional states. Quite an achievement for something we often take for granted. So the next time you take a deep breath, remember the intricate workings of the humble human nose. It's not just a bump in the middle of our faces, but a remarkable piece of natural engineering. Always in service, always on duty, fascinating.